just I'll give you one more time when he next. Let leader continue with the point of.
Thank you, Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the budget is a negotiated document whereby elected members, the governor accepted, Mr. Speaker, we put money together so that every ward, Mr. Speaker, can benefit equally. And Mr. Speaker, the member who has just left the floor, Mr. Speaker, has not, I've heard him complain of Kisii Stadium. He has not told us, Mr. Speaker, that much of the money actually is going to his ward for industrial park at Tongeri. And Mr. Speaker, these elected members, Mr. Speaker, we met and they discussed this document.
Order.
This member, Mr. Speaker, was having a retreat in Karen. We could not go and remove him from Karen to bring him to this assembly.
Leader, no.
To see the document.
Leader.
So I'm informing the member that if the member is a childish, go to Karen and bring him to come there from there. Go to Karen and bring him from there.
Order.
Stupid boy.
Order. Honorable Muraja, order, Honorable Muraja. Order. Honorable Muraja, I am going to get you out. Order. Leader, order. All members, order. Everybody was treating himself, so there's no problem. So, order.